नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरा नाम सुजाला है। आज हम करने वाले हैं एक 10 से 12 मिनट की योगा प्रैक्टिस। तो ये प्रैक्टिस आप सुबह कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू हैव 10-12 मिनट्स, या तो शाम को कर सकते हैं जस्ट आफ्टर ऑफिस व्हेन यू आर रियली टायर्ड। जस्ट आफ्टर ऑफिस आप घर आए हो ट्रैफिक के बाद एंड नाउ यू आर फीलिंग द बॉडी इज सो टायर्ड। इफ यू डू इट फॉर लाइक 10-12 मिनट्स, this routine is going to energize you, refresh you and trust me, नींद आपकी सबसे अच्छी होने वाली है अगर आप ये प्रैक्टिस करते हैं So guys, let's start on the mat, and it's going to be really simple and good for beginners. Also, before we start, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share it with your friends. आजकल वर्क फ्रॉम होम खत्म होके लोग ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, लोग ट्रैफिक से डील कर रहे हैं. So this exercise, this routine is going to help you out to refresh your mind, to refresh the whole body and to get that perfect sleep that is needed. So let's start on the front of the mat. Legs are firmly grounded on the mat. Okay, you're going to inhale, stretch your arms. आर्म्स को इस तरह से लिफ्ट करेंगे, palms together and exhale. नमस्कार मुद्रा in front of you. Inhale, stretch, lift, exhale, slowly release. Take a deeper breath. Inhale, lift up, and exhale, come down. From here, you're going to inhale, take your hands up, bend your knees slightly and going to chair pose. तो पीछे का बैक आपको स्ट्रेट रखना है. There is no arch. Okay, keep the back straight, hands straight, shoulders जितना हो सके down, hands up. अगर यहाँ पे आपको दिक्कत हो रही है, you can stretch your arms like this, keeping it diagonally. Very good. One more breath. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, release the hands. Ooh. Just a 30 seconds hold on chair pose. Okay. So you're going to inhale, come back to chair and hold your pose. 1, 2, 3. Make sure आपके knees जो है आपका ankle cross नहीं कर रहे हैं जब आप ऊपर से देख रहे हो तो. 5, 6. Stay there. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exhale, release it. Again, inhale. You're going to take your arms at the back, interlace your fingers like this and stretch the shoulders, lift the chest up towards the ceiling and head back as much as possible. Stay there. And back to center. Very good. You're going to stretch your shoulders now. Okay, take your right hand, right palm. You're going to place it at the back of your shoulder, center of your shoulder at the back, and then इस तरह से stretch करेंगे आप. देखिए इस तरह से. Okay, you're going to stay there. And on the other side, so you're going to bend your left hand, place the palm of your hand on the back and use your other hand to stretch the left arm and feel the stretch on the shoulder. Slowly release it, taking the right hand towards the left shoulder and using your left hand to gently stretch your right hand like this. Keep breathing. And let's do it on the other side. So you're going to take your left hand and stretch it towards the right side. And you're going to hold your left hand with your right hand. Very good. Slowly release it. Inhale, stretch the hand up. Exhale, you're going to bend down. Knees bend रखेंगे when you're bending down. Okay, back also जितना हो सके उतना try करेंगे नीचे लेके आने का. Going to stay there. इतना भी नहीं नीचे जा पा रहे हैं तो you can just grab hold of anything, grab hold of block or chair and just stay here. Breathe 1, 2, and 3. Very good. You're going to bend your knees, place your palms and then walk your legs back to plank pose. Hold your plank and breathe 1. अपना abs tight करना है, ठीक है, core अपना tight करना है. 1, 2 and 3. You're going to walk your hands, bring your hands close to your legs. Keep your knees slightly bent. Now from here we are going to go for a twist. So you are going to place your left hand down, bend your left knee, straighten your right leg, and as you inhale, you can lift your right hand up towards the ceiling. आप नीचे यहाँ पे cushion या pillow या chair का use कर सकते हो. Use a chair or anything like a wall and then go for a twist. Okay? Stay here. Exhale, release करेंगे अपना right hand नीचे. Again right hand को cushion या किसी चीज में रखेंगे. अपना right knee करेंगे bend और अपना left leg करेंगे stretch और इस तरह से stretch towards the other side. Let's do it couple of times. Stretch एक तरफ and then दूसरी तरफ. Once again, जब right hand ऊपर है तो आपका left knee bend है, right leg straight है. और जब आपका left hand ऊपर है तो आपका right knee bend है and left leg is straight. Slowly release. You're going to use again your blocks and you can use your, fold your mat if you feel it is comfortable. Place it under your heel and then you're going to go down, bend your knees and do Malasana. Sit here and then again lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good. From here धीरे से बैठ जाएंगे मलासन में. Okay, और बैठने के बाद you're going to do a namaste like this. Stretch your thighs, place your hands on the inner thighs and then open it. Stay there. Breathe. 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Slowly release करेंगे. Now come back and come to the front of the mat like this. In the center of the mat like this. Okay, you can face me, face your mobile or your phone or your TV, whatever, wherever you are watching. Face towards me. Very good. So from here, what you have to do is you're going to go for goddess pose. So इस तरह से अपने हाथ, अपने knee को like this, you're going to stretch and hip, you're going to bring it down. Okay, you're going to do it for 10 counts. Let's do it. 1. Okay, lift up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep breathing. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. From here, now we are going to twist and stretch our inner thighs. Okay, so place your palms on top of your thighs like this. You're going to bend towards the other side. Use your thumb, use your palm to push the leg away. Okay, so you're going to push it like this and stay here. एक लंबी सांस and then दूसरी तरफ. तो अपने palm का use करके इस तरह से press करेंगे और दूसरी तरफ open. Body को look towards the other shoulder or to the ceiling or to the sky, wherever you are doing. Once again, twist one side, stay there, and twist the other side. Very good. Slowly straighten your leg, fold your arms, inhale, stretch up, breathe one. आप इस तरह से फोल्ड कर रहे हो, ठीक है? Elbows touching. Each other arms, elbows are touching. You're going to stay here and breathe 1, 2, 3, 4. Now gently, बहुत ही slight एक bend रखेंगे knee में, and you're going to go down or forward fold. Stay here and breathe. देखिए मैं आपको side view दिखा देती हूँ so that you are not confused. My legs are gently bent. Okay. Now slowly release your hand. Place your palms down on the mat or on the floor. With that support, उसका हाथ का सहारा लेते हुए आप अपने पैरों को इस तरह से अपने पास ले आइए. ओके, दोनों पैरों को पास ले आइए. इनहेल करेंगे और हाथों को ले आएंगे अपनी थाइस के ऊपर. बैक करेंगे स्ट्रेट. एक्सहेल करेंगे और हाथों को नीचे, एंकल्स पे. Let's do it 2 more rounds. Inhale, lift up, thighs. Exhale, down. 1 more round. Inhale, lift up, and exhale. अब यहाँ क्या करेंगे, अपनी बॉडी को एकदम ढीला छोड़ देना है. अगर आप वार्म इनफ फील कर रहे हो तो अपनी लेग्स को स्ट्रेच कर लीजिए. अदरवाइज स्लाइटली बेंड ऑन द नीज इज परफेक्टली फाइन ऑलवेज. स्टे हियर, ब्रीथ. अपनी गर्दन को रिलैक्स रखना है, टाइट नहीं रखेंगे. शोल्डर्स को टुवर्ड्स योर हिप. 1 more deeper breath. Now slowly and gently bend your knees. Okay? Listen to my instructions and follow it. Bend your knees. धीरे धीरे से अपनी बॉडी को लिफ्ट करेंगे. अपना हिप हिंज खोलेंगे. जो हिंज आपने यहाँ से किया है खोलेंगे. वर्टिब्रा बाय वर्टिब्रा. धीरे 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 you're going to come up. Very slowly you're going to come up. Come up, 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 up. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Eyes gently closed. And observe the stretches that you did today. It was just 10-12 minutes, guys, on the mat. And I'm sure you will feel little refreshed after the whole day that you have spent. Namaste.